What's going on, YouTube? About to do a sound check. Got the good Detroit 12.7 Big Boy Turbo. See that? I'm in the process of replacing this. I should have did a video on that, but whatever. It's easy work. But it's about to go down. Say that again. Damn, my phone fell. Hold up, I gotta do that again. My shit fell. I didn't know it was gonna fall. Hey yo, come here, yo. I need you to hop up in the truck. Start it up and do what I just did.
Wrap it up?
Yeah. Yeah, turn the key to the on position and hit the button. Turn the key to the on position and hit the button next to it.